this is Shreya Chakraborty. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about eye makeup brushes for beginners. This video will be your one-stop solution just to find out the basic eye makeup brushes. So keep on watching. Okay, so these are the eye brushes today I'll be introducing to with you all. But today I'm not going to mention any page name or any brand name or any specific brush name. I will just show you all the uses and how to use the brushes, how you can handle all this. But if you want any personal suggestion about the brushes, you can comment below or DM me on Instagram. I will suggest you the brand name or the brush name or any kind of thing as per your requirement. So to start your eye makeup, the very first line and the most important brush is that you need in your life is our blending brushes. But there are many kind of blending brushes available. Some are tapered, some are more thinner, some are more broader, just like that. So blending brushes have the these are the fluffy kind of brushes. They have the long bristles that we can easily blend our eyeshadows. So these are the very fluffy kind of blending brushes which have very long bristles, and look at this fluffiness. It really helps to blend the eyeshadow on your eyelids. These are the domed shape ring brushes. It can be used to blend your shadows in your transition area. But it is really important to have at least one blending brush for eye makeup, and if you can go for two. This is a bullet kind of brush. You can see the bristles are so much small but fluffy. It's a kind of hard type of brush. It helps to blend your eyeshadows under your eyes, or if you are doing a smoky eye makeup, it will help to smudge your kajal too, just like in this area. These are the flat round shaped of brushes you all can see. This helps to draw cut crease and fill the eyeshadows after making cut crease, because हम लोग जब cut crease draw करते हैं तो फिर वहाँ पे eyeshadows fill करने होते हैं, तो फिर eyeshadow अपने crease line से बाहर ना जाए, इसलिए बहुत ही carefully ऐसे round shape flat brushes के help से ही fill किया जा सकता है. and ये यहाँ पे कंसीलर या फिर आई शेडो बेस यूज़ करके भी हम लोग अच्छे से एक राउंड शेप में कट क्रीज ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ फ्लैट ब्रश, बट यू कैन सी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन हियर. इट हेल्प्स टू कार्व आउट योर ब्राउज. मतलब जब आप लोग अपने आईब्राउज को डिफाइन कर लेते हैं या फिर शेप कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद ये कार्व आउट करने में हेल्प करता है. इट इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कार्व आउट योर ब्राउज आफ्टर फिलिंग देम, बिकॉज इट गिव्स मतलब शेप्ड लुक देता है आपको, एक नेचुरल सा शेप्ड परफेक्ट लुक देता है. दीज आर कॉल्ड द एंगल टाइप ऑफ ब्रशेस. This type of brushes helps to fill your brows with the eyebrow pomade or eyebrow cream, just like this. And eyebrows के आगे के पोर्शन को भी आप लोग fill कर सकते हैं. एक नेचुरल सा लुक देता है ये. Okay, so this kind of brushes are spoolie type of brushes. It is really important to have at least this kind of brush, at least one. It helps to brush your eyebrows just like this, because आप लोग अपने eyebrows को define करें या फिर eyebrow pomade से draw करें, fill करें, कुछ भी करें, लेकिन after that it is really important to brush the eyebrows. So इसीलिए brush इतना important है according to me. And ये आप इसके साथ अपने eyelashes को भी brush कर सकते हैं, just like this. These are also angle type of brushes, you all can see, but in smaller size. It helps to draw eyeliner, just like the wing eyeliner or something like that, because it really doesn't work for me, because I don't know why मुझसे मतलब नॉर्मल थिन टाइप ऑफ ब्रशेस से ही मुझसे आईलाइनर हो पाता है, ऐसे एंगल टाइप ऑफ ब्रशेस से नहीं होता है मुझसे. बट यू ऑल कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई. दीज आर दी एक्सट्रीमली थिन ब्रशेस. It helps to draw eyeliner. और कट क्रीज के ऊपर भी हम लोग अगर ग्लिटर आईलाइनर अप्लाई करें या फिर कोई भी स्मॉल वाइट सा आईलाइनर अप्लाई करें तो उसमें भी ये हेल्प करता है यहाँ के साइड में. So yes guys, those were the all eyeshadow brushes. I hope this video was very much helpful to you all, and now you all can know where and when use the brushes. And please do like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I will help you out with the doubts. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because I frequently post videos. You all will get notifications. Tab tak stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.